Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, access device settings. Now you need to click on passwords and security over here, click on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and tap on next. Then choose done. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!